Hello, all of you. So, myself, Professor Mandar Kekde. I am here to give a small case study about the cloud computing and its effect on cloud on environment. In first video, I have just given a brief idea about the basic concept of cloud computing and its use in environment sustainability. In this video, the outcomes will be understanding the good impact of cloud computing on the environment and its advantages of designing the infrastructure using the cloud. The very first point is better infrastructure. Public cloud data centers are typically located closer to the facility that power them to prevent large losses during the process of transmitting electrical energy over the long distance. Traditional data centers usually don't have a choice for location unless company that builds it tons of money like Facebook or Yahoo. So it requires tons of money for the location. But cloud computing data centers also use less wattage to provide backup power and cooling for their data centers during the superior hardware setup. The second, high utilization rate. Conventionally, companies use their own private data centers, which means these companies have low utilization rates due to the equipment best purchased and set up in the anticipation of the server usage spikes, which includes the higher rate of utilization. But the cloud consolidates the machine use and operating servers have at its higher utilization rates, increasing its efficiency. Number 3. The hardware refresh speed. Traditional data centers hardware tends to used for longer amount of time before an upgrade and or replacement because of high cost and time spent upgrading server as it requires more time for upgrading the server. Since the hardware in the public cloud tends to much higher utilization rate than the traditional server, it will most likely have a shorter life cycle. On the other hand, it also more cost efficient for public cloud server to upgrade on a regular basis because new technology brings in better energy efficiency. So it means that we can update our cloud systems at any time and as the requirement of the new technology, which is not true for the traditional data centers. So it will definitely help for the hardware refresh speed. Next is very useful reduced electricity use. Traditionally, data hardware systems are high maintenance, it requiring the uninterruptible power supply, cooling and tons of electricity. Moving basic software programs to the cloud can save electricity immensely. A case study done by the Lawrence Berkeley National University project that moving business software such as email, CRM and more to the cloud can save enough electricity each year to power Los Angeles for 12 months. Means it can save that much of electricity by using the cloud instead of the traditional data centers. This means the cloud would lower the total energy consumption of these software applications by 87%, and that is the huge savage. Finally, reduction in climate impact. Climate impact is greatly reduced by cloud improvement in energy efficiency as a result of fewer carbon emission. According to AWS, the average corporate data center has a directer power mix than the typical large-scale cloud provider. AWS, in combination with other cloud providers, use a 28% less carbon intense power mix. This also affects the climate control cost since it is much more expensive to run the machines at peak performance level in perfect temperature level. The cloud eliminates the wasteful spending due to the use of energy efficient equipment. The cloud is revolutionizing the IT industry in many ways. Customers consume 77% fewer servers, 84% less power and reduce the carbon emission by 88% by using the cloud. So you can imagine or you can just see the percentage of carbon emission that has been reduced up by 88% by using the cloud instead of traditional data centers. Thank you.